Hello friends, welcome again. Friends, in our last lecture, we discussed the origin of drama and we discussed different types of drama as found in English literature. And in today's lecture, we want to discuss the definition of drama and the important characteristics or features or elements of drama. So, friends, let's begin with what drama is. Okay, friends, in our last lecture, as I discussed, that drama is a literary form that we are studying in today's times. But this literary form actually evolved, it developed out of some public performances of, and these performances were dance performances of chorus in the ancient times. Okay? The term drama actually comes from a Greek word, and that Greek word means action, to do something, to act. Okay? So, drama is a word which comes from Greek language. William J. Long, a very important historian of English literature, has defined this term drama. He said that drama is an old story told in the eye. Told in the eye means drama is a story which we can see with our eyes. Okay? A story put into action by living performances. Okay? So, we can understand that drama, according to W.J. Long, is a living performance on the stage, through which we can visualize the actions on the stage. John Dryden, the father of English criticism, who lived during the 17th century, he has also has given a very detailed, a comprehensive definition of drama in his essay of dramatic poetry. According to John Dryden, drama is a just and lively image of human nature, representing its passions and humors and the changes of fortune to which it is subject, for the delight and instruction of mankind. Okay. Friends, it's a little bit longer definition, but don't get afraid, don't get scared of this long definition. I'll try to explain this in a very simple manner. If you read the first phrase of this definition, John Dryden said that drama is a just and lively image of human nature. Okay, so drama is an image. Image means a reflection. Okay, when you stand before a mirror, what do you see? You see your own reflection. You see your own image. Okay, in the same manner, drama is an image. Okay, it is a reflection of what? Of human nature. So, drama represents human nature. Okay, and Dryden has used two adjectives. Okay, this image, this reflection is just as well as lively. Just means realistic. Okay, and lively means full of life. So, according to Dryden, drama is the representation of human nature, which is full of liveliness and realism. Okay, representing its passions and humors. Drama, according to Dryden, represents two things: patience and humors. Patience means emotions, and humors means thoughts, wit, intelligence. Okay, so drama presents both these faculties of human body, mind and heart, our emotions and our thoughts. Okay, and the changes of fortune to which it is subject. Okay, our life is subject to the changes of fortune. Okay, no one's life is stable. There are ups and downs, prosperity and adversity, happiness and sorrow. All these things are there in human life. Okay, so all these changes of fortune, ups and downs of human life must be represented in drama according to John Dryden. Okay, and the last phrase he says that it is written, drama is written for the delight and instruction of mankind. Here Dryden talks about the function of drama. According to him, delight is the chief function of drama. The primary function is to delight, to entertain the readers, the audience, and the secondary function is to instruct the readers. Okay, so this is what drama is according to John Dryden and William J. Long. Okay, now friends, let's move on to discuss the important features or characteristics or elements of drama. Elements of drama means what are the things which make it a drama. Okay, so if you want to write a drama or if you want to examine whether this drama is a drama in the truest sense of the word, then these five elements must be there. Okay, these five are very important elements of drama, and they are plot, character, dialogue, theme, and setting and spectacle. One by one, friends, we will discuss these five elements of drama. Okay, the first and the foremost element of drama is plot construction. Okay, now what is plot? Plot means a series of events logically connected with one another. Okay, when we discussed the definition of drama as given by John Dryden, I told you that drama represents human nature, human life. And human life is what? Human life, friends, is a mixture of so many hundreds of events. Okay? So many events take place in our life, and these events are represented by the dramatist in the drama, by the playwright in the play. Okay, so these events, a series of events, they must have proper logical connection among themselves. That is called plot construction. Okay, now this plot has, friends, five stages. As you can see on the screen, the first stage is that of exposition. Exposition means beginning, okay, or inciting incident. Incident means event. Second stage is rising action. Third is climax. Fourth is the falling action, and fifth is resolution. One by one we will discuss these things. But before that, let me tell you these five stages. As you can see on the screen, have you visited a lake, a cool and calm lake full of water? Yes, we all have visited, right? And I want to ask you a question. What happens when you throw a stone in the middle of the lake? As you can see on the screen, as you can see in this picture, the moment you throw a stone, in the middle of the lake, some ripples start. Okay, ripples start around that point. Okay, and these ripples become bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Plot construction in drama is just like that. In the beginning of the play, our mind is cool and calm, just like that lake. But the beginning incident, the inciting incident or event, by this event, the dramatist throws a stone into your mind in this lake, and some questions arise in your mind, ripples arise in your mind. Conflict starts in your mind, and the conflict starts on the stage also. And slowly and gradually, this conflict reaches rising action and then climax, but then slowly and gradually, it calms down, falling action, and at the end, your lake will be as cool and calm as it was in the beginning. In the same manner, the mind of the spectator, the mind of the reader will be as cool and calm as it was in the beginning. Okay, so why? Because all problems, all questions are resolved, solved by the dramatist. Okay, so it is just a kind of that process. The same process you can understand with this also, with this triangle chart. Okay, the first, the beginning of the play is known as exposition, in which the main theme and main character and the point of conflict is introduced by the playwright. Okay, second stage, the rising actions, the events before the climax, characters, they try to solve the problem but they fail. The problem which is presented in the beginning in exposition, the characters try to put a struggle to find out the solution to that problem, but they fail. And climax comes, when there is too much conflict. Okay, intensity rises and touches the peak, and there is great suspense or action, that is called the climax. And then slowly and gradually you come to the fourth position, that is actions or events that occur after the climax. Okay, and the last one, the fifth stage, is resolution. That means at the end all problems are solved, everything is clear, confusion goes away, and the play comes to the end. Okay, so these are these 5 stages of plot construction. Okay, so as you can see here on the screen, these are the 5 stages. Next important element of drama is character. Okay, character means the people who are presented on the stage as actors or actresses. Okay, they are known as characters. These characters are very important in a play. Why? Because they are the people who enhance, who further the story of the play. Okay, generally in the play we have mainly 2 types of characters: major characters and minor characters. Major characters means more important character, right? Like protagonist. Protagonist means the hero, and antagonist. Antagonist means the villain. Okay, so the protagonist and the antagonist, they are considered as the major characters, and other characters are known as minor characters. They can be flat characters and round characters. Okay, the next important element, which is again very important, is the element of dialogue. Friends, what is the difference between a novel and a drama? The basic difference between drama and novel is that novel is read by the people and drama is watched on the stage by the people. Novel is meant to be read and drama is meant to be enacted on the stage. So, when you are enacting a play on the stage, you need characters, and because characters are there, you need dialogues. Okay? What are dialogues? Dialogues are the words written by the playwright and spoken by the characters on the stage. They are very important to enhance the tension or the conflict of the play. Okay, now there can be three kinds of dialogues. Number one, dialogue itself. Dialogue means a conversation between two or more characters, okay, which is very common, we understand that. Another important dialogue is soliloquy. Soliloquy means the character is alone on the stage, no other characters are there, and he speaks to himself. Very famous soliloquies of William Shakespeare, like if you read Hamlet, to be or not to be, that is the question. Okay, Hamlet talks to himself. These soliloquies are very important in the drama. Why? Because through these soliloquies, the internal conflict or tension of the character is exposed before the audience. So, soliloquy is very important. Third is aside. Aside means the conversation of only one character to the audience. Okay, sometimes to the audience and sometimes to a character which is not heard by other characters on the stage. Here there is a slight difference between soliloquy and aside. Soliloquy means there is only one character standing on the stage. Okay, and aside means there may be some other characters, but the character is talking to the audience, not to other characters. Okay, so these are different types of dialogues which are important in drama. Another important thing is theme. Theme means the central idea, the point of view, the philosophy of life which the dramatist wants to express is known as theme. Now, in drama, there can be major themes and there can be minor themes. Okay, some common themes in drama that we find in English literature are like conflict between two individuals, right? As you can see in case of Hamlet, the tragedy, there is a conflict between Hamlet and his uncle. Say in case of Othello, there is a conflict between Othello and Iago. Okay, so conflict between two characters, two individuals, or there can be a theme of conflict between man and nature, how man fights against nature, against his destiny, against his fortune. Okay, and sometimes there can be a theme of man's struggle, man's fight against natural or sometimes human forces. Okay, so these are these are different themes that we find in drama. And the last important characteristic of drama is setting and spectacle. Friends, setting means the place and the environment and the time in which the play is performed. Okay, say for example, when it is an ancient story, right? It's not a modern story, and a modern writer writes the story of some ancient characters, then the setting should be the medieval time, right? The setting should be of the ancient times. The environment which is presented must be of the ancient times. So the dramatist, when he writes drama, he has to take into consideration this setting also. The time which is presented must be that ancient time. Okay. Say for example, the modern dramatist is writing a play about future generation, then what kind of future earth will be there? He has to imagine and he has to present such setting, such environment and such time. That is called setting. And spectacle. Spectacle means visuals, what we see. Spectacle means properties which are used to perform the drama. Say for example, in order to make one scene, some furniture is required, some curtains and all these things, right? So properties, some sets, costumes, dresses, okay, some special light effects, sound effects, all these things help in making the drama lively and more interesting. Okay, these two, setting and spectacle, they create the effect of visual reality. When we watch the play on the stage, we feel it as real. Okay, they bring liveliness in the play. So friends, here we come to the end of this discussion on the definition and elements of drama. Let's recollect the whole discussion that drama is a literary art, which actually originated from religious public festivals, okay, in which some dance performances were done. Drama came into existence during the 5th century BC in Greek literature, and then we discussed the definitions, two definitions given by one given by W.J. Long and the other given by John Dryden. There are 5 elements of drama: plot, character, theme, dialogue, setting and spectacle. So friends, here I come to the end. Please like and share this video among your friends and classmates, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon so that when I upload a new video, you will get the notification. Thank you very much.